Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to download as well as how to log in to PowerPoint on your Apple device. First, we're going to open the Apple Store. It should look like this. Then, once the Apple Store is up, at the top of the search bar, we are going to search PowerPoint. As soon as we hit enter when we search PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint should appear automatically. I've already downloaded it for this step, but here you will have to download it and enter in your Apple ID yourself. Download time varies based off of your internet connection. Once you have it downloaded, we can proceed to the next step. Once you have it downloaded, it should change from the word Get to the word Open, and then we can open Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint opens up, you're going to go to the bottom right and hit Settings. Then you're going to go to the top and hit Sign In. Here we will enter in our student email, which will always be your first name, period last name, @ahub.edu. During this time, I'm going to enter in my password, and then I'll catch up with you in a moment. After I've entered in my password, I can go back to the Settings tab and verify that this sign-in was successful. That is how to download as well as how to log in on PowerPoint using your Apple device. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.